So you already know that is the chapter from the on the equality. That in a democratic country, that it is the equality can be measured by the universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means that is the discrimination of any caste, any religion, any person, male or female, that all of them, the persons are the have the voting right. Okay, so now that there are some forms of inequality is still now prevailed in India. We already know that it is basically now the inequality in India, it is formed, one of the form is the caste system. That is lower caste people nowadays also are exploited by the upper class people. Okay, so we just discuss it. One of the more common forms of inequality in India is the caste system. If you live in rural India, your caste identity is something that you probably learned or experienced very young. If you live in India, some of you might think that people no longer believe in caste. But just look at this matrimonial shown from a leading English newspaper, and you will see how important the issue of caste continues to be in the minds of highly educated urban Indians. So it is very true story that maybe that in the rural areas you already know that is there is a strong caste system, but maybe in the urban areas we just think that there is no caste system. But whenever we have to see in the matrimonial side, we just seen there that is the caste is very important nowadays also. Now, let us read a story about the experience of the Dalit child attending a school. You have already read about the Dalits in class 6 book. The Dalit is a term that is so-called lower class people. Okay, lower caste used to address themselves. Dalit means broken, and by using this word, lower caste are pointing to how they continue to be seriously discriminated against it. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Chutan, he writes, I had to sit away from the others in the class. You already just read the story of the B.R. Ambedkar also. That is who is the founder of the or the who is the chairperson of the drafting committee of the constitution. That he was exploited in various ways in at his childhood. Okay. So here also that we just see the same story is running that the mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have to sit away behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 4, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes, the playground was very large and my small physique could handle in cleaning it. My back began to ache. My face was covered with dust. Dust has gone inside my mouth. The other children in my class were studying and I was sweeping. Headmaster was sitting in his room and watching me. I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. I swept the whole day. From the doors and windows of the schoolrooms, the eyes of the teachers and the boys saw this spectacle. Okay, Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days. And this only came to an end when his father, who happened to be passing by, saw his son sweeping. He confronted the teachers and then walking away from the school holding Prakash's hand. He said loudly for all of them to hear, you are a teacher, so I am leaving now. But remember this much, master, he will study right here in this school, and not just him, but there will be more coming after him. So after that, we just see this is a miserable story, no? To this day, we cannot identify the story, or today we cannot. Today, all of you cannot connect with the stories. But you just see there that is a small child. He was just sweeping the school or cleaning the school because of he was a Dalit. Okay. The second story is based on an incident that took place in one of the India's largest cities and is common practice in many parts of the country. It is a story about the Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had the money and so paying the rent was no problem. They went to a property dealer for help to find a place. The dealer informed them that he knew about quite a few apartments that were available for rent. They visited the first apartment and the Ansari liked it very much and decided to take it. However, when the landlady found out the names, she made an excuse about her, and she could not rent the house to someone who non-vegetarian resident. Both the answerer and the property dealer were surprised to hear this because they could smell fish being cooked in the neighbor's house. The same excuse was repeated in the second and the third apartment. Finally, the property dealer told them that they might want to change their names and call themselves Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. The Ansari were reluctant to do this and decided to look some more. In the end, it took a whole month of looking at the apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give them a place of rent. So this is the thing also in the prevalent in India. Okay, so today's day, that is the we see that we are very where wise. We just think about ourselves that we are very wise, and also we just think that we are, that is the broad hearted. But today's date also, that is the caste system must prevail in